Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla battery supplier LG to invest $450 million in 4680 cell assembly line. Tesla Model S Plaid is being benchmarked by Ford in attempt to create a worthwhile electric vehicle. Tesla catches fire in Sacramento wrecking yard 3 weeks after accident. And Tesla to accelerate Model Y right-hand drive production due to underestimated demand. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla's longtime battery supplier, LG Energy Solutions, announced that it would invest $730 billion or $567.76 million to expand its battery production capacity in South Korea. The expansion includes a new assembly line that would produce 4680 cylindrical battery cells. LG plans to invest $580 billion or $450 million to add an assembly line that would produce 4680 cylindrical battery cells at its number 2 Ochang factory. The new assembly line will have a production capacity of 9 gigawatt-hour. LG will also invest $150 billion or $116 million in its number 1 Ochang factory to increase the assembly line, producing 2170 battery cells by 4 gigawatt-hour. The battery supplier stated that the 2 new lines will be ready for mass production by the second half of 2023. Earlier this year, LG told Teslarati that it is working on diversifying its cylindrical battery lineup and confirmed that it is developing 4680 batteries. LG supplies batteries to several prominent electric car manufacturers, including Tesla and Volkswagen. Tesla's other battery supplier, Panasonic, announced it had already shipped 4680 cell samples to the Texas-based EV automaker. According to the CEO of Panasonic's energy business, Kazuo Tadanobu, the company's pilot line in Japan started large-scale prototype production of the 4680 battery cell in May. LG also plans to expand its operations to the United States. In March, it announced plans to build a $1.4 billion battery production facility in Arizona as demand for electric vehicles in the United States continues to skyrocket. It specifically stated that the Arizona battery plant would cater to the demand from prominent startups and other North American companies. The $1.4 billion battery plant is expected to start operations by 2024. Moving to the next update, Tesla Model S Plaid is being benchmarked by Ford in attempt to create a worthwhile electric vehicle. Tesla Model S Plaid has been spotted being benchmarked by Ford, which is aiming to create a worthwhile EV that can compete with the EV market leader. Model S Plaid is an absolutely stunning car and also happens to be the fastest production car in the world. Ford plans to step up its battery electric vehicle efforts as the electrification and rapid replacement of combustion engine vehicles is a major challenge for today's automotive industry. To succeed in electric vehicles, Ford will need to compete with the undisputed market leader, Tesla. Realizing that its electric cars are the most desirable in the world due to their high-tech features, Ford decided to learn from Tesla. To this end, the manufacturer benchmarks different models of vehicles from the Texas manufacturer. Recent photos released by Ford Authority show that Tesla Model S Plaid is being benchmarked by Ford. Spies of the publication noticed that the automaker has been conducting a comparative analysis of Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y performance in recent months. A detailed study of Tesla vehicles will give Ford the opportunity to improve its electric vehicles and make them more competitive in the market. Tesla Model S Plaid is a unique car that has no equal on the market right now and probably will not anytime soon. Despite being a 4-door electric vehicle, Model S Plaid is also the first production car to hit 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds and run a quarter mile in just 8.943 seconds, setting a new world record among all production cars in history. Moving to the next update, Tesla catches fire in Sacramento wrecking yard 3 weeks after accident. Sacramento Metro Fire put out their first Tesla fire last week. Firefighters extinguished the flames, engulfing a Tesla Model S that had been sitting in a Sacramento wrecking yard for 3 weeks after an accident. This was the first and only. The vehicle sat parked in a wrecking yard for 3 weeks after a vehicle accident, not involving fire, and then caught fire in the yard. Our crews were dispatched and ensured the vehicle was extinguished after well over an hour of firefighting operations, stated Metro Fire of Sacramento. According to Metro Fire, the Tesla Model S fire started in the vehicle's battery compartment. Firefighters had difficulty extinguishing the flames because the cells in the battery compartment would reignite. Metro Fire and workers from the wrecking yard turned the Model S on its side to expose the battery compartment and get to the root of the flames. However, the battery cells continued to reignite even after firefighters sprayed water onto the battery compartment directly. Then, the firefighters decided to fully submerge the Model S vehicle's battery compartment in water. They dug a small pit, filled it with water, and then placed the Tesla inside. The water pit successfully extinguished the fire. No injuries were reported during the Tesla Model S fire incident. A 2021 Tesla Model Y was engulfed in flames in Vancouver last month. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, reached out to Tesla and asked for information on the Model Y incident in Canada. In its 2021 impact report, Tesla stated that fire incidents for its vehicles were 11 times lower than the average vehicle in the United States. The report said that approximately 5 Tesla vehicle fires occurred for every billion miles traveled between 2012 and 2021. Moving to the last update, Tesla to accelerate Model Y right-hand drive production due to underestimated demand. Tesla took a while before it started Model Y deliveries in Australia, but once the vehicle was made available for orders, it didn't take long before the demand for the all-electric crossover overwhelmed the EV maker. Just days into the market, Tesla's estimated delivery dates for the Model Y were adjusted well into next year. While extremely impressive, this suggested that Australia-based buyers looking to purchase a Model Y today would have to wait a long time again to receive their vehicles. This is quite unfortunate, seeing as electric vehicle buyers in Australia have already been waiting for years just to have the opportunity to order the Model Y. Fortunately, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has provided an important update about the matter. In a response to the Model Y's now extended wait times on Twitter, Musk noted that Tesla is working on accelerating the production of right-hand drive Model Y vehicles. Musk further hinted that the Model Y's demand in Australia was quite surprising. "We're working on accelerating right-hand drive Model Y production. Didn't expect demand to be so high," Musk wrote. This is quite an interesting comment from the CEO, as Musk has stated in the past that he believes the Model Y could be the world's best-selling car, outselling even ubiquitous vehicles like the Toyota Corolla. Following the Q1 2021 earnings call last year, Musk stated that this milestone based on the total number of units sold would likely be achieved in 2023. The Model Y has also been an unprecedented success in pretty much every country it has been sold in. This includes areas in Europe that also utilize right-hand drive vehicles. Tesla has had a lot of experience with the Model Y's demand in right-hand drive countries, so the fact that the company, at least according to Elon Musk, was quite surprised with the vehicle's demand in Australia is quite interesting, to say the least. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.